It's about time we got round to the circle question. Right. We know how to do this. It was a slight weird one, the way that the x, there was no x term. There was an x squared but no x term there. Remember what we're going to work on. We're going to think, can we complete the square on our y squared plus 8y? We're going to add in half of that to make it y plus 4 all squared. We would have 16 too much if we did that. So we need to take away the 16 and the 24. So we get that. And then all we need to say is that our centre is 0 minus 4. And the radius is the square root of 40. And that would probably be all right. You'd got the mark for root 40. I felt I wanted to take a bit further right to root 10, but root 40 got the mark. And I think we had a slight advantage that we did a question like this not long before the exam for part 2. And we talked about the advantage of doing things geometrically, doing little diagrams and doing it that way. So here we've got 2, 2 lies on the circumference of the circle. Oh, look at that, freehand circle. And here's the point 0 minus 4 in the centre. The point 2, 2, it must be over here somewhere, mustn't it? And we're supposed to find the other diameter of this circle. So if we draw a straight line through those 2 points, we're supposed to find that point down there, that's the point B. And we can do stuff with length of line or that kind of thing. We could do stuff with gradient of the line. We can do whatever we want to try and work it out. You could do it with gradient. It must be the same gradient, that bit and that bit. So that would be an easy way to do it. Or that length must be the same as that length. So you could set up simultaneous equations with length of line. Or you could just think, if we look at this triangle here, it goes across 2 and it goes up 6, doesn't it? To get from the centre to that point there. So this way, it must go back 2 and down 6. So the x value, if we work that out, 0 take away 2 is minus 2. And the y value, minus 4, take away another 6, is minus 10. The point is minus 2, minus 10. And that's the way that I would have thought about doing it. And I think that's quite neat. The marks, there were only 2 marks, and they were just for the 2 coordinates. One for minus 2 and one for minus 10. That was it. So however you arrived at them, the examiner wasn't particularly interested. There it is.
Oh, I didn't get that.
Stop the video.